Hello guys, hello Kalo Carver. Everybody, okay, stay safe. All Filipino here in UAE, Abu Dhabi, and Dubai, and other country. Kahit nagigera, stay local po. So dahil sumawat tayo ngayon, um, uh, bumili ako ng kefir. This is a probiotic good for uh, cats and need talaga natin uminom nito kahit medyo mahal. It's 4 dirham. It's uh, Activia probiotic. Yung plain lang ha, para hindi nasisira yung probiotic niya pag may mga ibang flavor. And then, tikman natin. Mm, ang asim niya, no? So, actually, yung mga probiotic, yan po yung mga nakababad sa vinegar. And also, I buy, for my snack, I buy, what is this? Yes, mixed nuts. They have Brazil nuts. Ang mahal po niyan dahil nakapak na siya. I buy 17 dirham per 400 grams. Mix na po siya ng cashew nut, almond, and raisin po moderation. No? So, if you want more high protein, yan po ang kakainin natin. And dahil nag-crave ako ng bread, actually, all bread are high carbs. Yung keto bread is low carb, it's zero carbohydrate. But kung naghanap tayo ng musmura, I buy this one sourdough. This is also probiotic, but they have a little high in carbs, so moderation po. We can eat carbs moderation para po hindi nag-i-spike yung sugar natin, yung insulin natin. Para mag-activate yung burning mode, kasi kapag nagigising yung insulin natin, that is the master hormones. They have 600 hormones of the body, and the master is insulin. Pag nakakain po tayo ng lots of high carbs, 80% magtataasan po lahat ng blood test natin. And to reverse that, syempre, iwasan natin yung carbohydrate. It's moderation. No, it's not essential. So, go to the high protein and high fat to get your ketones to fat adapted. And you will see your body healing mode, burning mode, even you're sleeping, your burning mode, di ba? Ang saya nun. And you are 10 years younger, correct your appetite, low inflammation, kasi ang body natin, they love glutamine, and the glutamine came from the amino acid, and amino acid came from protein. So, ganun lang po yun. Madali lang.